Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the support and love. On this video, we'll be talking about Benjamin Dube announcing the departure from Spirit of Praise Collective. Reverend Benjamin Dube, pastor and worship leader, has officially announced his exit from the Spirit of Praise Worship Collective. After years of spiritual leadership through this influential platform, the gospel veteran explained this transition following months of prayerful consideration and strategic discussion with ministry partners. Spirit of Praise has served as a powerful vehicle for worship expression under Dube's participation, touching lives across continents with its message of faith. Dube expressed deep gratitude for their years of collaboration, stating he moves forward with boldness, love, deep respect, and sincere thanksgiving. This development promises to reshape South Africa's gospel landscape as one of its most influential voices prepares to write his next chapter in ministry impact. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.